In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI to generate amazing pictures for your baking business. So recently, I started creating some AI amazing videos, amazing pictures, and people have been asking me, how are you doing it? Please, Trish, we want to know how you are using AI to create all these beautiful pictures, all these beautiful videos. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you the things that I did, how to do it. It's very, very easy because if you notice, you notice that a lot of persons are now using AI a lot. And if you are still not using AI at this time, you are missing out a lot, because sometimes you might not have pictures of your products to post. You just use AI to generate images, or either images of yourself. Maybe you want to post your pictures and you don't have pictures. Let's say you just have only old pictures, or either your baked products, or either cakes, or whatever that you want to post, and you just need pictures to post. Because as a content creator on social media, you need pictures to, or you need to always have pictures to post on a daily basis, so to make sure that your social media account is active. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you the things that you do, how to do it step by step, on how to do to create your pictures. So without wasting time, let's get right into it. Now, to create AI video, all you just have to do is to go over to your app store or your play store. Then you are going to install Gemini. So you're just going to search on Gemini and you are going to install Gemini on your phone. So I already have Gemini on my phone. All I just have to do is to open Gemini. So I just opened Gemini. Now the next app I'm going to be needing for this is my ChatGPT. Just go over to ChatGPT. Then so I just want ChatGPT to write a prompt for me. Now first thing I'm going to do is I need a picture that I can use to post on my social media. I'll just say ChatGPT, I need a prompt to use for creating a picture of me in my office. The picture should be real, with a laptop on the table. I am wearing a chef wear. So you can just customize it to anything you want. I don't want the video to be too long, so I'm just going to write something very short. So I'm just going to allow ChatGPT write a prompt for me. Now I'm just going to copy this from prompt that ChatGPT wrote for me. Then I'm going to take it to Gemini. I'm just going to copy that. Then I'll just head over to ChatGPT. Then I'm going to click on this plus icon. Note that once you are posting this, before you paste it, you need to, because you want it to be real, you want people to think that it's real. You just have to go to your gallery or your photos. Then you're just going to select a picture that you want to use. So I want to use this my picture. I'll just select it. Then I'll write using this picture as reference. Then I'll paste what ChatGPT wrote for me. Then let's see what it's going to give me. So I'm going to allow it to load. Now once it's finished loading, I'm just going to send that. Then I'm going to wait for it to create the picture for us. So I'm going to wait for it to create the picture for us. So you can see the picture that I just created. So if you also want to change anything in this picture, let's say for instance, you want to change something like, you can just tell it, I want to have a long bone straight hair. So you can just tell it anything you want. If you want it to do any adjustment to it, now you can see. So if you want it to do any adjustment to it, you can just tell it what you want. So if you also want to do like, let's say you want to do like a cake or maybe a snacks, any other thing, you want to create pictures that you need to post. So before that, you need to save it. So click on it. Let's say I want to save this one. Let's say I want to save this particular one. Just click on it and save it now. So let's say for instance, I'll just tell ChatGPT, give me a prompt that I can use to create a realistic picture of a one layer chocolate cake. So let's say I want to post a picture of a chocolate cake. I can also get it like this. So if you don't have pictures, you know that you don't have enough pictures, you can just be using this method to get pictures to post. So I'm just going to copy this now. Then I'm going to take it back to Gemini. So if you're still watching this video at this time and you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to paste it. Now you see. So if you want to make any adjustment on it, let's say you don't like it, you can just tell it change the turntable. So any adjustment that you want to make, you can just make it on it. So you can also say remove the frosting. So this is just how to create pictures, AI hyper realistic pictures for your social media account. So you can see it has removed the frosting. So this is it. So this is just it. Now, if you want me to teach you how to create AI videos, like how to convert these pictures to videos, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to be doing a video on that, on how to create videos from pictures, how to turn these pictures into videos, like talking videos. If you want me to teach you that, just let me know in the comment section. I'm going to be teaching you how to do that. So thank you for watching this video. I'm going to see you in my next